How to remove email address on Snapchat account. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can remove email address on Snapchat account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to remove the email address on Snapchat account here now, first go ahead and open up Snapchat. Now I'm getting straight into the video. Head over to your profile at the top left corner. Once on your profile, tap on the settings of the gear icon at the top right, and right at the top you'll be able to see your name, username, birth date, mobile number and email. Tap on email and now you'll be able to see the email. Right now, in order to delete it, you can go ahead and clear it, but once you clear it, you can see the save option will be gone. There is no any option to save. Even if you type in random email and tap on save, it won't save it. So you will have to add the email. You can remove your primary email from your email address and you can create a new email address, the secondary email, and set it here. Verify your Snapchat account with it. You can change it, but you won't be able to delete it. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.